Pet hair, crumbs, and a liquid spill? Normally that means multiple tools, a vacuum, a mop, and something to deal with the mess in between. But this machine claims to handle all of it in a single pass. Today, we're putting that to the test.
Hey guys, this is MHD Tech. And before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings.
What is good, everyone? Welcome back to MHD Tech, where we test the products before you think about buying. I'm Nick, and today we're taking a look at the Dreame Aero Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. It describes this as a slim, powerful, next generation cleaner. So today, we're gonna unbox it, look at the design, test the cleaning performance, and find out if it claims to actually hold up. So let's get into this. First thing worth mentioning is the packaging. Everything is organized cleanly, nothing feels thrown together, and here is the main unit itself, right here. So, the first thing you notice when you pick it up is the weight. It's actually lighter than you expect, and the body itself, it's pretty slim. Inside the box, you get the main unit, the charging dock right here. You have the water tank on the back. Snaps in pretty quick. All the accessories and the setup is pretty straightforward. It only takes a few minutes to get everything ready. The build quality is pretty solid, and the LED display on the front, which we'll show you later, is clean and easy to read. But the design feature that stands out most becomes obvious when you see it from its side. All right, so another important feature is the dual edge cleaning system. Both sides of the brush roll clean along the walls and edges, so when you run the machine along a baseboard or a corner, you get full coverage in one pass. The next big claim is the cleaning performance. This machine right here is rated at 25 kilopascals of suction, and it's designed to handle wet and dry messes at the same time. In real life, messes are usually a combination of everything: crumbs, liquid spills, loose debris. So here we have a mixed mess. Let's see what one pass does. One of the most frustrating problems with vacuum cleaners is hair tangling around the brush roll. If you have long hair or pets in your home, you've probably dealt with this before. Dreame built a system called Tangle Cut 2.0 into this machine. The comb design right here at the bottom separates hair before it wraps around the roller. So instead of getting tangled in the brush, it gets pulled directly into the vacuum. Let's see how this works. Battery life is important for a machine that is both vacuuming and washing at the same time. Dreame Aero runs about 35 minutes in quiet mode, or about 25 minutes in standard mode. Inside the battery pack are 6 2500 milliamp cells. For most homes, That runtime is enough to finish a full cleaning session without stopping or recharging. So, there are also a couple of features that make this day-to-day use way easier. The LED display shows the battery level, the cleaning modes, and the system status. And of course, the self-cleaning system works with a single button. Water cycles through the brush, while the roller rotates forward and backwards to remove any debris. It's a quick process and helps keep the machine clean after every single session. So, if you're deciding between the Aero Pro, both share the same core cleaning systems. They both include 25 kilopascal suction, the Tangle Cut 2.0 brush system, and dual edge cleaning. But where the Aero Pro differs is in added features like a longer runtime, voice prompts, and enhanced self-cleaning systems. After testing Aero, here's the honest takeaway. The slim design makes it easy to maneuver. The suction is strong. It handles mixed, wet, and dry messes, and the Tangle Cut system actually prevents hair from tangling around the roller. Overall, it combines multiple cleaning tools into a single machine that performs well. If you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is in the description. If you have questions about anything I covered, drop them in the comments. And if you want to see more reviews like this, subscribe to MHD Tech. I'll see you in the next one. Later.